Guava fruit has many health benefits, including digestion. Guava's fiber content can help with constipation and diarrhea. Blood sugar. Guava's fiber and polyphenols can help lower blood sugar levels. However, guava can also cause blood sugar levels to drop, so people with diabetes should consult their doctor before adding it to their diet. Immune system. Guava's vitamin C can help reduce the length of colds and fight bacteria. Heart health. Guava's fiber may have a positive impact on the heart. Weight loss. Guava is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a healthy snack for weight loss. Skin. Guava may be good for your skin. Menstrual cramps. Guava leaf extract may help relieve menstrual cramps. Toothaches. Guava leaf extract